Hello guys, DEFI here again, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. So those of you who have not yet joined my channel, please subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video from my crypto space. So guys, what I'm looking at now is GXY staking platform. These guys have copied DSP from everything, even the what would have been the motto here. The only difference is that they are giving out 97% of the previous day's TRX from the auction launch to be allocated to the staking. So we know that DSP is giving out 95% and also T2X is giving out 95%. So these guys have increased the percentage they're giving out to the stakers to 97. But everything here is the same. Sky has copied it. And if you missed T2X and DSP in the beginning, I would suggest you guys jump in onto this one and you give it a try. It might give out good returns in the first few days. So I wouldn't want you to miss out on that. This is their Telegram. It is active. So 559 members have joined it. And the staking is the auction lobby is open, as we can see here. It is open. Over 1.99 million has been entered within a few hours, because this one went live within a few hours ago. So I'm going to jump in and buy with some tokens with the little Tron I've remained with. So that would be later on in the day. So for those of you who want to join this GXY trading platform, you can join it. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. Also the link to the Telegram channel, I'm leaving it down. And let's look at the contract. This is their contract. As you can see, funds, this is just day one. You can join it, give it a try. Let us look at the contract here. We are saying the contract is a perfect match. So let's give it a try and see for ourselves. So the tokens here that are going to be received are called the GXY tokens. So if I'm to buy here in the lobby, I'll be given the GXY tokens. So that's it guys, that's the DSP clone. You're free to join it if you want and do some cleaning in the first 2 days. So that's it guys. I'll see you in an update video about GX staking platform in case I get any.